Ever pondered why the price of your dream house fluctuates like a roller coaster ride? It's a puzzle, isn't it? This enigma is deeply rooted in the real estate market's dynamic nature, swayed by countless factors. The core of these price swings lies in the basic economic principle of supply and demand. Imagine the real estate market as a seesaw. On one side we have supply and on the other, demand. The dynamic interaction of these two forces shapes our real estate landscape. Let's delve deeper. The supply side of this seesaw is influenced by factors like interest rates, ongoing development projects, and the number of units ready to hit the market. Lower interest rates can spur more construction, adding to the supply. Conversely, high interest rates can stifle new projects, constraining supply. Now let's hop over to the demand side. Here, factors like population growth, income levels, and economic stability come into play. A thriving economy with a growing population and rising incomes can significantly boost demand for real estate. These factors are constantly interacting, tipping the real estate seesaw one way or the other. When supply outweighs demand, prices drop. Conversely, when demand outpaces supply, prices escalate. The real estate market, like a seesaw, is always in motion. So, as we've seen, the real estate market is an intricate web of factors, all interlinked. The delicate dance of supply and demand significantly shapes property prices. A surge in demand, spurred by factors such as low interest rates or a booming economy, can send prices soaring. On the other hand, an increase in supply, perhaps due to a surge in new development projects or a large number of units hitting the market, can dampen prices. But remember, a good deal remains a good deal, regardless of the interest rate at the time. Being prepared for the market's ebbs and flows is critical. Understanding these dynamics can help you navigate the real estate market, whether you're buying your first home, investing in property, or just a curious observer.